So today I'm taking you to Knott's Pass, which is in the Lake District in England. I was supposed to be in Isle of Lewis this week, but plans had to go to plan B because I think I actually had COVID. I was very under the weather. So a very basic and easy walk, and nice for a change. Haven't done anything like this for several months, so hope you enjoy it, guys. Yes, I've got these on wide. This is the setup. I'm using the Black Label Solo with no inner as a 2-man tent with a footprint in. Weighs about 1.6 kilograms like that. As you can see, it fits both people in, no problem. And in case it's windy, so there's no midges and we're all good. Aye. And that's David. And that's another camper that currently looks very disappointed that we've taken his spot. Sorry mate if you've seen this video. But that's Scarfell over there. Scarfell Pike. What else is it, David? All the Scarfells. Ill Crag. Great End. Aye, Great End right there. Yeah. Was my first ever wild camp. I've got a video on that, guys. Check it out. I did 80 miles in 2 days. There's another camper right there too.
Yeah, I think it's together.
Aye. The rest it's not come up either. Hey guys, so what you can see is I actually brought my own pillow up because I'm actually a bit ill at the minute. I'm not 100% and my shoulder hurts because of my shoulder impingement, so I've brought my pillow. And I was carrying 10 kilograms actually. David was carrying 11. We were quite even this time for the first time in a while, weren't we?
On the shopping bag.
Well, that means you were cabin. Well, the shopping, well, okay. Oh, a beautiful sunset tonight, eh? So guys, can you see how I've pegged the tent? I know it's going to be 30 complete gusts, 30 mile per hour overnight, comes at 12. So I've pegged the tent like, see how I've made like whoop and whoop. That's just to make it more secure, and I've done the guy lines longer too, which is very important when it's windy. Same everywhere, you see, just like that. Some tomato and basil soup, and it's burning my legs to make this video. That is the view we're working with. Sweet dreams, guys, and I'll see ya tomorrow. Yeah. Guys, that's Devok Water and its island. I've got a really funny comedy video on that. Honestly, it's one of the most funniest videos I've done so far from last year. We crafted to the island and camped on it. Check it out. I'm back in another wade ride. I'll put the number here, I don't know what it is. Don't know if that classifies though. Because I'm a true bagger, you see, I don't start halfway up mountains. So we'll see about that one. Onwards and upwards. David to take my rucksack as well, just for this last bit, because you know what, this whole camp made me feel like I'm not injured for the first time in like 17 months, because it takes you out so remote but with no effort, just half a mile walking, and it's just so nice. It just made me feel not injured for the first time in ages. I actually just felt I forgot about my injuries for the first time in ages, honestly. It was really good. You live here, don't you?